Amanda from Matheson, Mississippi has a question about a sweaty carport.
Well, it's an open carport. Okay, so it's basically just a top.
Yeah.
Amanda writes, it sweats with excessive rain. I want to use it as an outdoor living area, maybe even partially enclose it. I discovered drainage is a factor as well, so I'm going to have the gutter system worked on when the weather permits. Now, Tom, Amanda wants to know, how can she then prevent the moisture inside this area?
You have to enclose it and air condition it or heat it. That's all there is to it. The concrete gets cold. The air is full of a lot of water, and it's warmer air that touches the concrete, and it sweats on top. Nothing's coming through it. So if it's open concrete and it's a carport that's covered, they notoriously sweat in areas like Mississippi, Texas, places
Florida.
like that. Yeah, Florida. Very humid areas, yeah.
Arizona?
No. Arizona will be okay.
Okay.
But it's going to always sweat. So if you're going to use it as a room, you're going to have to make it a room. You can still put some lawn chairs under there and stuff.
Yeah.
Just don't go out when it's raining.
Put some mats or something there and
Yeah.
hose them off regularly.
Yeah, I guess put AstroTurf down. It would quit sweating if you can even find that anymore.
If you can find, I don't even know you can find it.
Indoor, outdoor carpet. I grew up in it.
All right.
By the pool.
Well, no matter how you grew up, we'd love to hear from you. If you got a question for Tom about home improvement or projects or anything around the house, go ahead and send it to us. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. You fill it out, you send it in,
Ding.
we'll answer it, just like this one.